Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Melanie and I love testing things out on my wavy/curly hair so that you don't have to. Today we are going to be diving into the new Curlsmith products. Curlsmith came out with protein products and I am freaking pumped. If you have been around long enough, you will know that my hair loves protein. Now it craves more protein during the summer. It's now winter, so I do balance it with some more moisture now and then, but my hair still craves protein. I, of course, have bleached my hair. I have a higher porosity hair. It's still not like super high porosity, but it is a higher porosity, and higher porosity tends to crave more protein. So I am so pumped about this line. You cannot even imagine. So today I'm going to give you my first impressions of these products. I plan to make another video in a couple of months to let you know my thoughts on the products after using them, testing them, trying them with other products. I wanted to kind of give you both types of reviews on these products. So today I will be testing out the Bond Curl Rehab Salve, the Featherlite Protein Cream, and the Bouncy Strength Volume Foam. I'm going to show you how I use them. I will also give you a full review on them afterwards, and I'll let you guys know if it is worth the money. If you would like to see more content such as this video, please subscribe and turn on those post notifications down below so that you know every time I upload a new video. Well guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so it is fresh in the morning. As you can tell, I have not put on any makeup or anything. My hair is looking crazy. It is in need of a wash. It feels absolutely disgusting right now. So I am first going to go in with the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. I'm going to go in with this. This is a pre-poo treatment. It is a bonding treatment as well as a protein treatment. So you kind of get the best of both worlds in this one product. It has pressed chia seeds, shiitake mushroom, prickly pear pulp, pumpkin seed oil, guava, and kale. And it is for weak, damaged hair. So I just wanted to kind of read the back of the bottle for you guys. It says, Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve is not a conditioner. It is a lightweight, intense treatment that makes hair look stronger and more resilient. So again, kind of like Olaplex, it is not a conditioning treatment. However, unlike Olaplex, it does have proteins in it. So this says to apply on damp hair. It does not have to be clean hair, just damp hair, and you will leave it on for at least 15 minutes or up to an hour. After the hour point, it is going to stop working. So I am going to wet my hair with a spray bottle, and then I'm going to work this through my hair. All right, so I'm going to split my hair in two. I haven't brushed through it yet because I want to make sure I have that slip of the product. I'm going to clip my hair up. I actually might spray a little more water now that my hair is clipped up. All right. Then I am going to take the product, pour some into my hand. This stuff to me, it smells super good. It smells a little bit like cough syrup, but like in a good way, if you know what I mean. So I'm just going to start applying this generously to my hair. I feel like with treatments, you always want to make sure you are thoroughly saturating your hair. I definitely think that the more the better with this product. Obviously, you don't want to get like too much, but I definitely think it is very imperative to have lots of product on there. So once I have really gotten every little part coated, I am going to take my wet brush and I'm going to brush that gently through my hair. All right, so again, letting some more hair down. I'm gonna apply some more water. An easier way, if you don't want to keep applying water over and over again, is to wet your hair in the shower before doing this, but I just find it easier when on camera to use a spray bottle so that I can be in my room. So taking that product, raking it, or glazing it really, through my hair, the parts that I did not get earlier. Once again, taking my wet brush and brushing through those strands. So now that I have fully coated all of my hair, I am going to take even more of this. Not too much, but I just want to really make sure that everything is nice and coated. So just kind of running it through. I feel like the back of my hair got missed a little, so I'm really going to put that through there. And then once I'm done, I will wrap it up and clip it up. So now that this is clipped up in my hair, I'm going to leave it on. I don't really know how long. I honestly am about to just clean my apartment while this is in. Pro tip, any pre-poo treatment you do, I would definitely suggest getting some work done while you're doing it, because you're kind of killing two birds with one stone, so it's nice. But I'm going to clean my apartment. It should be somewhere between 30 minutes to an hour, we shall see. So I will come back when I am done with this. I just hopped out of the shower. Normally I do my styling in the shower on sopping wet hair, but I wanted to be able to come in here and show you guys the products and everything. So I just clipped up my hair, and I literally just got out of the shower like 2 seconds ago. So I'm going to tie the long sleeves of my t-shirt right there, and I'm going to take my hair out of the clip and again, it's still sopping wet, and I'm going to put in the Curlsmith Featherlite protein cream. So this is their new cream. It is protein filled. It has wild rice protein, pressed hemp oil, prickly pear cactus, sweet almond oil, which is more of a hydrating factor, shredded kale, guava fruit juice, and shiitake mushroom, just as the protein treatment had. So I'm going to take about this much, maybe a little more. I learned this trick from Mains by Mel, where if you take all of your hair and you kind of loosely wrap around it, that is how much product you need. So I actually go a little less than that for my cream, just because my hair is a looser curl pattern. So I'm gonna take this and I'm just going to rope this through my hair, kind of put a little more on the top. And I'm going to kind of fluff up the top, kind of rake it through, really making sure that product is distributed. You can use a brush if you would like. I'm just not into brushes while I am styling my hair, because I feel like my curl pattern easily goes away. So again, kind of like fluffing out that part, and then I'm going to take it and smooth it. Let me kind of go back a little, and then I'm going to scrunch it up. And any time in this process that I feel like I need more water, I will put more water in. I might actually spray my hair with some water after I'm done scrunching this product in. So they say that this product has a medium hold, and then it kind of has like a bit of a gel like structure, but I have actually used this once before, and I would say that it does have a little bit of a gel like consistency in it, but not enough to make me use it as my gel. So I will be adding in another gel today. It'll also be protein free to kind of balance out my hair a little. So I've been going pretty protein heavy camera cut me off. I've been going a little protein heavy today. So I really just want to make sure that I don't put my hair into protein overload by using all these protein products. Next, I'm going to take the Curlsmith In Shower Style Fixer. So this does not have proteins in it. It is a super thick consistency. Like, look at this. Like, super thick. So I'm actually going to take my water bottle and spritz it down a little. Put some water in my hands to emulsify it a little. Ugh, all the hairs that are like coming out of my hair. Whatever. All right, so then I'm going to glaze this into my hair. I'm using the gel mousse gel application technique today. And then I'm going to scrunch it in. I'm actually going to do the gel plop mousse method, which I have not done before on this channel, but I wanted to kind of show you guys. So I'm going to plop my hair now after doing the gel, and then I will add in the Curlsmith foam afterwards. So I will be back after I plop for about 10 minutes, just in time for me to do all of my makeup. It has been about 10 minutes, so I am going to take down this plop. I'm also going to micro plop. Wow, my hair is already looking so much more springier. I'm going to micro plop my hair. So next I'm going to take the Curlsmith Bouncy Strength Volume Foam. This is a styling foam. It has invisible hold, so that's why I went in with the In Shower Style Fixer, because this has like insane hold. As it says, it's a 10 extreme hold. So I went in with that so that this, you know, it just gives me a little extra a little extra protein, a little extra volume. That's what it claims to do, is give you lots of volume. It has hemp seed oil, wild rice protein, black currant, I guess is how you say it, shiitake mushroom, green kale leaf, and mashed guava. So I'm going to take a generous amount of this. I just did like 10 pumps, and I might even do more. I'm going to flip my head over, and I am going to glaze this over my hair. All of these products smell amazing, by the way. And then I'm going to scrunch it in my hair. I actually think this is plenty of product, so I'm not going to add more. All right, so now that I am done applying all of my products, I'm going to diffuse, and then I will be back to show you the results. Guys, these are the results. Can we first off appreciate the fact that my bangs now are long enough to start waving again? Yes, these are the results. I'll go ahead and show you these front views, and then let me turn around. So let's talk about these products one by one. So first, let's talk about the Bond treatment. I really enjoyed this. First off, the smell is amazing. It smells like a really pleasant cough syrup, which I know doesn't sound pleasant, but it really does smell like a really good cough syrup. I think it's like the fruitiness in it. Maybe there's like some cherry type smells in this. I'm not positive, but I really enjoyed this, especially for a treatment like this. It's nice to have that refreshing scent. It has many good ingredients, and I do feel like it helped improve the elasticity of my hair. My hair was looking a little meh lately, and I still think it could have better potential. I am in need of a haircut though. I feel like my layers are starting to weigh my hair down again. So I would definitely blame the lack of like elasticity up here to my layers. Like, look, this is my longest or my shortest layer over here, which first off, this curl is popping. But yes, next we have the cream. I really enjoyed this cream. A lot of protein creams are hard to kind of like rake through your hair because those proteins are trying to strengthen your hair, and so they're not meant to like create a bunch of slip in your hair. However, they do add that almond oil in here, and if you even look at the ingredient list, the almond oil is like the third ingredient, so it is high up there, and I think that helps to create some slip while adding those proteins to help build and strengthen your strands. So I really enjoyed this. This is probably my favorite product out of all three. I just really feel like it helped to bring my hair back to life. It wasn't too heavy, hence the Featherlite protein cream. It really reminds me of the weightless air dry cream that was actually in my yearly favorites because of how much I love that cream. But this is kind of like that protein option. And it also says that it gives a flexible hold. I don't know how true that is because I paired it with a really intense hold gel, but I do feel like this gave me nice bounce to my hair. Again, it smells amazing. It has less of a cough syrup It had less of a cough syrup smell than this did, so maybe like the bonding treatment is what made it smell more like cough syrup. But this smells amazing. It smells so fruity. I'm trying to think of what fruit it is that it smells like, because it smells slightly different than the other Curlsmith products. I love Curlsmith product smells. They are incredible, and they kind of stick throughout your hair throughout your wash week, honestly. And it's not too much to where it's overwhelming, but it's just enough to where you can smell it, like if the wind hits your hair, and it's really nice. So I would highly recommend this. I used it as both my leave-in and my cream because my hair was really in need of protein. But if you feel like you need a little more moisture in your hair before going in with your styling cream, then I would suggest you put another leave-in on your hair before going in with this. So then we have the Bouncy Strength Volume Foam. And I kind of have mixed feelings about this foam. Although I liked it, I feel like I will not really reach for it for my wash day. I like mousses better because I feel like they really create that cast, which is why I went in with the in shower style fixer, because I knew that that one was a really strong hold. But I still felt like my cast wasn't strong enough to where like this piece right here, it got blown around, and so therefore it kind of started straightening out. And I think that that's because I didn't have a actual mousse in my hair. I went for the foam instead. So I'm interested to see how this works as a refresh. I love using foams as refresh, and when I need a protein boost, this would be a great one to reach for because it does have all of those proteins in it. I definitely agree with the invisible hold because it really did not do anything to my hair. But I mean, I guess it did kind of give me some volume. I don't really know if I can allude that to this foam in particular or to how I style my hair, because I don't really think the volume looks any different than how it normally does. So, but yes, this one, not my favorite, but I do think I will still continue to use it as a refresh. And then again, I will update you guys and let you know if I really enjoy it that way instead of adding it to my wash day. I don't think I'll really add this to my wash day at all. So it smells amazing, but it's not my favorite product. Well guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you found this helpful. Maybe this helped you decide whether or not you want these products. I don't know. Again, I will give you guys an update in a couple of months, letting you know how I have enjoyed these products. Leave a comment down below if you have tried these products out yet, and if you enjoyed them, if you didn't like them. Just let me know. I'm curious to see how other people have reacted to these products. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!